Yogast Baba.
So today my question is regarding Diksha. So how Diksha help or initiation help one to get more benefits in his on his path, so that he can attain more and more clarity and wisdom on this path.
See, about Diksha, if you go to the website of Yogas Vidya Rishikesh, you may find something there. And there are some already some of the videos on our YouTube channel about Diksha. But Diksha or initiation, as the word suggests, initiation means to start something,
Ignite something.
ignite something, some beginning, and beginning with some essence, beginning with something already having in your mind or in your soul or something. Deeksha is Digdarshan. Digdarshan is known as direction.
Okay.
The English word of Digdarshan is direction. So the Diksha done by a person, if it is, say, if he or she is an external person, the person who has already attained a kind of spirituality, yogasthita, a kind of spiritual maturity, a kind of spiritual minimum level of qualification or knowledge in this spiritual science, he or she can ignite or initiate at a sanskaric level, at a ritualistic level, diksha to his or her disciples. Diksha impregnates you, yes, understand the term, with those sanskaras, with those values, with those sankalpas and resolutions for which Diksha is being given. There are subject matter, no? The Hanumant Diksha, okay, Kriya Kundalini Yoga Diksha, Dhairyata Diksha, and say Shubhashish Diksha, Swasthashish Diksha. So if you understand these words, there are different names of the Diksha. Like we have, 16 sanskaras in our Sanatan culture. And we just do and perform many rituals at different intervals of life as one grows and attains to different kind of social status or different kind of spiritual status. When you take feras, when you do feras, the just having a marriage ceremony and all, it is a kind of diksha. There are pandits and purohit doing this. When one is given a name, namology, you say there is a ceremony, Nam Sanskar, birth ceremony. So the pandit gives the name and all, it is a diksha. But when it comes to the spiritual diksha and the dikshas that we promote and provide and we initiate, they are of spiritual order, a spiritual order of your consciousness. As one attains to the different levels of the consciousness, these dikshas help one to grow, to imbibe those values, to tread the path of spirituality, to go on that very, yogic path in a smooth manner, already being guided by those initiations and dikshas. One is propelled to move towards that direction. So diksha help. It is like fitting a transmitter in you. There are things when a person goes to some other country, so a transmitter is fitted into Dharminder, into a hero, and it guides everything and all. Yeah, GPS, you may call it a spiritual GPS system. So there are different dikshas which work according to the ritual and the sankalp and the resolutions associated with it, and they help one to grow. Of course, it helps.
Sir, I want to know if one is ignorant and he has just come to know that initiation is something or it's something to be dikshit. But he is not more clear. He is not clear about that. Okay, from which diksha he should go, or then from where he should start, or there is a like this type of diksha one can start from that if he is not he has no clarity about anything.
You tell me one thing. When a child is born, he is so small, does he know which school he will get educated? What should be his or her name? What he should wear or eat or anything? Does he know? He is completely ignorant. So it is better his parents decide it. Likewise, the Guru decides if an ignorant person comes to him. The Guru decides, the person decides who is in authority that what diksha will help him grow.
Okay.
What name you should be given, your parents or Pandit decide, na? You decide, or your Guru decide is some Tasman.
Yeah.
Huh? Likewise. So it is not a say responsibility of not only an ignorant person, sometimes even a mature person, a trained person, a wise person, he should definitely leave it to the concerned authority, to the Guru, to the teacher, that how or where should he should start or what kind of diksha or initiation he should go through.
Yes. So we have come towards a great clarity about the diksha and initiation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yogas Bhav.